Howdy folks. Today, since it's hot as fuck out, I'm gonna make a electric lemonade. And if you know me, I would hope so, you know that I prefer whiskey. And normally this drink is made with vodka, but I chose this awesome blue moonshine. This thing is 128 proof, so it's no joke. So for today's recipe, we're gonna make it two ways. One is a simple and nice build, and the other way to make it is shaken like a fancy martini. And I'm not kidding, this recipe is super easy and super quick, and I added a quick fun thing because I'm gonna use candy for the garnish. For the first way you guys can make this recipe, I'm gonna build it in a mason jar. You can use any glass you want. 2 ounces of blue moonshine. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. There you go. Pour it right in there. You're gonna squeeze lemon. You don't need a lot of it. Just squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Dun, dun, dun. And you're gonna top it off with lemonade. And the fun part, I said, you can drink it with one of these candy straws. And to finish, top it off a little more. And you're gonna add your garnish. It's a sour tape on a stick, whatever. And a pretty lemon wheel. There you go, guys. This is way number 1 to drink your electric lemonade. Now let's make the martini one. 2 ounces, again, of blue flame moonshine. This time in a shaker. You're gonna again squeeze the lemon. There you go, squeeze everything. Da, 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 da. You just need a little. And I pre-portioned lemonade. There you go. I'm using this much lemonade because that is a big ass martini glass. And now let's shake this. It smells good. It smells strong. How I like it. And as you can see, I added some blue candy on my glass before. And now you're just gonna pour it all in there. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my. Doesn't that make you want to drink? Perfection. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Let's add the tape instead of the straws this time. Oh, love it. Look at this, people. There you have it. And before I go, I want to say thank you, Old Smoky Tennessee Moonshine, for your blue flame moonshine. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna post all the details of this recipe and the 2 ways to make it also on my website. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.